In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs in Pagefly Builder. Adding a GIF to your Pagefly page can make your website more engaging and visually appealing, and it's a fairly simple process. Let's dive right in and step through the process together, ensuring each element is correctly placed and configured. Start by opening your preferred browser and search for Shopify. Once you've found the Shopify homepage, click through to gain access. You'll need to log in with your credentials to proceed further. If you're new, you might be prompted to create an account, but for those who already have one, just enter your details and press Log In. With access granted to your Shopify dashboard, navigate your way to the Pagefly editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll find the Elements button. Click on this to reveal a variety of drag-and-drop elements that you can use to design your page. For this task, we're focusing on the image element. Look for this, and as soon as you've found it, click, drag, and drop it to the desired position on your page canvas. This is where your GIF will soon be showcased. After placing the image element, click on it to bring up the Settings panel. This panel is essentially your control center for tweaking and customizing the element's properties. If you haven't uploaded your GIF yet, no worries. The page provides a straightforward way to do this. Under the Image Source option, you'll notice the current placeholder image. Hover over it, and you'll see the Upload Image option appear. Click this to open a file selection menu, locate your GIF on your computer, and upload it to your store. This new GIF is now linked to the element on your page. Once your GIF is there, you can move on to refining how it looks with the Styling and Settings tabs. These options allow you to adjust the size, alignment, and other visual properties to perfectly fit your page. Spend a few minutes here trying out different configurations and seeing what works best for your layout. Play around with the settings to ensure your GIF enhances rather than distracts from the overall design. Lastly, an essential step you should never overlook is hitting that Save button. Once you're satisfied with how the GIF looks and performs on your page, click Save to ensure all your changes are securely stored. This will prevent you from having to redo the work, saving time and ensuring your page remains in its improved state. And that wraps up our process for adding GIFs in the Pagefly Builder. Remember that these small touches can make a significant difference in engaging users. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy designing.